In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a task from a list in ClickUp. If you've ever found yourself needing to clean up your task lists or simply correct a mistake, knowing how to delete a task is an essential skill. We'll guide you step by step through this simple process, ensuring you can manage your tasks efficiently. Let's start by navigating to clickup.com and logging into your account. Enter your login details, ensuring everything is typed correctly. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your workspace, where you manage all your projects and tasks. Now, direct your attention to the Spaces section on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your different spaces reside. Each space is essentially a different project or segment of your work. Click on the space that contains the list with the task you want to remove. Selecting the right space is crucial, because tasks are organized under these spaces, so always ensure you're working in the right area. After selecting the correct space, look for the List section. Click on the list that holds the task you intend to delete. Lists are used to organize tasks within your space, acting like folders, so finding the right list is key to quickly locating the task you wish to remove. Once inside the correct list, your next move is to locate the specific task you need to delete. This might be a single task or part of a larger group. Take a moment to ensure you've identified the right task. As removing a task is irreversible, once you're certain, look for the three dots icon, often referred to as the Options menu, located next to the task name. Click on it to reveal more options related to the task. With the menu open, scroll down until you find the Delete option. Click on it to initiate the removal process. ClickUp might ask you to confirm this action, ensuring that task removal isn't done accidentally. Confirm your action, removing the task permanently from your list. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so ensure that you indeed want to delete the task before proceeding. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to successfully remove a task from a list in ClickUp. Deleting unnecessary or duplicate tasks not only keeps your workspace organized, but also helps maintain focus on the tasks that matter. Regularly managing your task lists can greatly enhance productivity, ensuring your workflow isn't bogged down by clutter. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your ClickUp experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.